Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video I want to explain about how to install JDK 17 in Windows 10. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for JDK 17 download. Okay, if you click on this first thing, okay, you'll get a page like this, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can just see something like Windows 64 installer. If you click on it, the downloads get started. Okay, and up to now I'm just cancelling because I have already downloaded it. Okay, just double click on this exe file. Okay, you'll get a pop-up. You can just click on yes, then download, like installation gets started, and just click on next, and the installation was started. Let's wait for a few seconds. It was almost done, guys. Okay, just click on close now. So now what you want to do means you have to go to C program files, Java, and just copy this path. Okay, and go to system variables now, because if you add this property it will be reflected to entire system. You just click on path and click on new, add this JDK 17.5, just click on OK. Now let's open our command prompt once and try to check our Java version installed on our machine. It's saying it's Java 17, right? You can also check Java is successfully installed in our machine. Okay, thank you for watching our video, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel.